camera 2 is recording. Let's get started and go. Okay, today I wanted to open this new drone I got from eBay. Initially I bid on this same drone from a different eBay seller, and I lost it for $25. Somebody else outbid me, so I went looking for this, and there was only another seller selling one of these, and I ended up getting it all together with shipping for about $30, so not bad. But I guess these seem to be kind of hard to find, so I still got the tape on there. Haven't removed any of that. I want to show you the retail price is $99.99, so $100, and I got it for $30. Not too bad. And let me read some of this back details. Easy to carry, tough to break. Optical stability means sharper images indoors or out. Easy setup, then let the fun fly. Easy one-touch flight control. Go social instantly with HD images and videos. I can't get the latest models because I have a limited income, so I tend to shop on eBay for second-hand deals, second-hand models. Let me open this up with this razor blade. I don't like ripping up the tape on these boxes too much, because I might resell these. I like to leave it in really good condition. Got your quick start guide. Looks like your basic kind of I don't know if it's a toy, but the way it's packaged looks like your toy packaging. Doesn't look too fancy like my other my second drone, the Star Wars Flyer. Look at this quick start guide. Because your other information, just leave that in there. Gotta look at that later. So I'll be flying this tomorrow. Okay, I guess this is the drone here. Looks a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I could easily fit this in my backpack. Just put some foam inside, and that'll keep it intact for anything I bump with my backpack. I don't have to worry too much that I'm gonna be breaking this or anything. So looks like it's a fold-up drone. There's some weight to it. Seems it's made out of plastic, but it seems sturdy. I don't know if the weight is the battery, but hopefully this is a good one. These seem to fold out easily. Kind of lock in place there. I don't see any locking mechanism. There's some instructions on how to remove the battery. Grip from both sides and push up. I guess that's here. I'm gonna have to check this out later, but there it is. That's how it looks. You got your camera right on there with the plastic film on there to protect the lens. Looks like you have some sort of sensor in the front. I don't see any, oh, there's a sensor right there. That's your, probably your optical flow sensor that keeps it elevated. Not too bad. We'll see how this flies later. You got your charger here. You take out the battery and just plug it in there, I guess. And a few accessories. Comes with 4 extra blades. There's your prop guards. I'll probably definitely be needing those. Even though I got better with my flying skills with my 3rd drone here, it seems I always have problems with the new drones, so it's best to put those prop guards on there just to be sure. So we'll go ahead and see how this flies tomorrow.